and think faster and finish it easily.
Is this okay? Okay, we're about to start this fun baking contest. And the kitchen looks ready. I'd like to get your thoughts. How are you feeling about cooking today?
I am excited as this is our chance to try our recipe and hopefully it's going to be enjoyable to see what every person came up with. But I feel a bit nervous as well. But we are going to manage it with mutual help. How about you, Ate Ikes? How are you feeling?
Oh no, JD spilled the flour. But it's okay, JD. I'll clean this up quickly. Now that it's already fixed, let's continue our baking and finish our treats.
Anyway, let's keep baking. Oh wait, I'm already hungry. Never mind. Let's back to the contest. Oh, who's playing the music?
Um, Lastly, baking teaches us a lot about life by making bread. Just as a baker doesn't throw flour everywhere or leave burn bread on the counter, we must handle endings with care and respect.